Hello, and welcome back to our Master Python from Beginner to Pro course. Today, we're going to take a fascinating journey through the history and evolution of Python. Understanding the background of Python can give you valuable insights into why it is designed the way it is and how it has grown into one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Let's dive in. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, in the late 1980s. The language was conceived as a successor to the ABC language, which was also developed at CWI, Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica, in the Netherlands. Guido wanted to fix some of the issues he saw in ABC while retaining its benefits. Python's development began in December 1989, during Guido's Christmas holidays. Python 1.0 was released in February 1991. This first version already included many of the core features of the language, such as exception handling, functions, and the core data types like lists, dicts, and strings. It also supported modules, allowing for code reuse and better organization. Python 2.0 was released in October 2000. This version introduced many new features, including list comprehensions, a garbage collection system capable of collecting reference cycles, and support for Unicode. Python 2.x versions continued to be released, with the last official release being Python 2.7 in 2010. Python 2.7 introduced many features that were backported from Python 3.x to make the transition to the newer version easier. Python 3.0, released in December 2008, was a major overhaul of the language. The main goal was to rectify fundamental design flaws of the language. Python 3 introduced many changes that were not backward compatible with Python 2.x. Some of the significant changes included the print statement becoming a function, improved integer division, and better Unicode support. These changes aim to make the language more consistent and easier to learn and use. Since the release of Python 3.0, the language has continued to evolve rapidly. Python 3.4 introduced the Asyncio library, bringing asynchronous programming capabilities to Python. Python 3.5 introduced type hints, allowing for optional static typing. Python 3.6 introduced formatted string literals, also known as f-strings, which have made string formatting much easier and more readable. As of today, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and many other fields. The Python Software Foundation, a nonprofit organization, manages the development of the language, ensuring it continues to grow and adapt to the needs of its users. And there you have it, a brief history of Python, from its inception to its current status as a powerhouse in the programming world. Understanding Python's history helps us appreciate its design philosophy and its focus on readability and simplicity. In the next video, we'll start getting our hands dirty with some actual Python code. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding!